Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing some Christmas tiered tray DIYs, all with a gingerbread theme. So let's jump right in. The first gingerbread tiered tray DIYs are a gingerbread man cookie and a gingerbread house. I traced the outline of a gingerbread man onto a piece of paper. I got a picture of a gingerbread man on my laptop, then just traced it onto the paper, but of course you could freehand it as well. I'm tracing this onto a piece of cardboard, then cutting it out. I have this sheet of cork from Dollar Tree, and I'm tracing the gingerbread man onto the cork and cutting it out. Now I have these two gingerbread man cutouts, and I'm gluing the cork sheet outline onto the cardboard one. This is just to make sure my gingerbread man is a little more sturdy. I have this red and white ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm making it into a bow for a little bow tie on my gingerbread man. Before I glue that on, I'm going to ice the gingerbread cookies, and I'm using this white dimensional fabric paint. I'm drawing on a face and some designs with the fabric paint. I let the fabric paint dry for more than 24 hours, and now I'm hot gluing the bow tie onto the gingerbread man. To make him able to stand up on my tiered tray, I'm using 2 tumbling tower blocks and hot gluing them to the back of the gingerbread man. I'm repeating the process for the gingerbread house, cutting out a house shape piece from the cork sheet and also a house shape from the cardboard, then hot gluing the cork and the cardboard together. I'm using the same dimensional fabric paint to draw designs on the house. I'm also adding a large tumbling tower block to the back of the house so it'll stand up on my tiered tray. The next mini DIY is this gingerbread sign. I'm using 8 of these tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree. I'm hot gluing the blocks together to make a frame. I am going to be staining them, which I do recommend doing before gluing them all together. I'm using this maple gel stain from Deco Art to stain the blocks. I'm adding a bit to the frame with a brush, then I'm using a cloth to stain the blocks. I'm tracing my frame onto a piece of white poster board, then cutting it out. Now I'm hot gluing the poster board to the blocks, making it the back of the sign. I made this baked fresh daily decal with my Cricut, and I'm sticking it onto my sign. I cut out 3 tiny gingerbread cookies out of the cork sheet, and I'm hot gluing them onto my sign. I'm going to paint the back and sides of my sign with this paint from Deco Art in the shade Raw Sienna. I have this thin acrylic paint pen from Deco Color, and I'm using it to add designs to my tiny gingerbread cookies. I really like this pen because it's super fine and good for detail. Today's video is part of the monthly minis challenge. This month's theme is winter holidays. Once you've finished this video, click the link in my description box to check out the playlist to see lots of fun mini and tiered tray DIYs. This challenge is hosted by Corie from Crafted by Corie. Her channel will also be linked below, so make sure to check her out and subscribe if you're not already. The next gingerbread themed tiered tray DIY is this cutting board. I cut out a cutting board shape out of cardboard, and I'm painting it red with paint from Dollar Tree. I created this Baking Spirits Bright decal on Cricut Design Space with a couple little gingerbread cookies on the sides. I want this cutting board to be able to stand up on my tiered tray, so I'm hot gluing one of these large tumbling tower blocks to the back of it. The next gingerbread tiered tray DIY is a mini stack of books. I'm using 6 of these tumbling tower blocks from Dollarama, which are larger than the Dollar Tree ones. I'm painting the blocks with the raw sienna paint. I'm gluing the blocks together to form the book stack in 2 layers, 3 blocks per layer. I cut out little decals that say gingerbread cookies made with love, and I'm sticking them onto the blocks. I'm taking this red and white string and I'm tying it around the book stack and making a bow on top. I folded the string in half before tying it around the blocks, so it's a double bow. The next gingerbread tiered tray mini DIY is this sweet word sign. I have these letters from Dollar Tree and I'm spelling out the word sweet. I could only find one E in my stash, even though I know I have another one somewhere. So I'm turning an F into an E with a Sharpie. Now, when I added the other line onto the F, it made it a lot thicker than the other letters. So I thought it looked a little funny. To make it blend in more, I'm going over all the letters with the Sharpie and thickening them up so it's all cohesive. I have this little piece of wood that was from a Dollar Tree sign, and I kept it because I was sure I could use it for something. I'm painting it with the raw sienna color, and this will be the back of our little sign. Now I'm gluing the letters onto the wood piece. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments which of these tiered tray mini DIYs was your favorite. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.